Oh, hey, it is you guys. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. It is a beautiful morning out here in South Mississippi. What's going on, guys? Over here at my girlfriend's mom's house, dropping off the baby. She's gonna keep her for a couple of days. So I thought I'd just walk around her yard and show you guys some of the plants that she's got. I know someone asked me about one of them. It was one of the persimmons. She doesn't know what kind of persimmon it is, but this is a kumquat tree. Some of them are actually looking like they're getting to be ready. I'm gonna walk over to this, make my way to this persimmon tree over here, so you guys can see. Yeah, I don't know what this is. If anybody knows what any of these are, leave a comment down below and tell me what they are, because I would like to know myself. I'm not sure what these are. I imagine some kind of fruit tree. Here's the persimmon tree. Oh wow, it's actually got a persimmon on it. I don't know. You see that right there? Persimmon here. Very soft. That's the only one on there. Oh my god, I thought that was a real snake. It's a fake snake. I thought it was real. Oh my god. That's funny. But no, look at these colors. It's really pretty. Really pretty colors. There's another one. I don't know what these are. Yeah, if you guys know what these, any of these are, please tell me. I like puns just as much as the next person. Alright, so these here, they're kind of out for the winter, but these are fig trees. I can't recall ever getting any figs off of them, but we'll try next year. This right here, I actually brought it here. It's gotten a lot bigger. My manager was going to throw it away, and I took it, brought it here, and saved it. He was just going to let it die. Over here, got some blueberry trees. Really pretty. Got quite a few here. I've actually picked blueberries off of here. Still got some at home actually in the freezer. I like to put them in my pancakes. They're delicious. So, eventually I'll make another video of us coming to pick some blueberries. I think that would be pretty cool. Big beautiful tree. I love trees, especially big oak trees like this. I really like it when their branches touch the ground and you can climb on them. It's really cool. These over here are pecan trees. I think. I'm not sure. I guess we could find out if there's any pecans laying around. Don't see any. Anyway, what's this over here? Yeah, I don't know what this is either. Anybody knows what this is too, let me know. Oh, hi Simba. He's shy. He wants to, but he's shy. He doesn't know me that well. I think that one's name is Toothless. He's semi-feral. I just noticed this here. I don't know what that is. It's kind of interesting. Yeah, if you guys know what that is, let me know.
Here, you want some? I'm good.
Some rose bushes. What is this?
Yeah, that's some kind of cactus.
Some kind of
It gets
cactus.
bigger, but I never put it in the ground.
Huh. I should put it in the ground.
I ain't never had time to dig a hole. Come over and dig a hole for me.
Okay, if I got free time, I'll come and dig a hole and put it in.
Yeah, it's been in my pot ever since I've had it. It's got little ducks.
Yeah,
It'll get bigger.
there's a bunch in there.
Yeah, it'll get bigger. You want some at your house?
All right. I might take some and distribute it out. I can think of somebody who would want it. Yeah, it really is something out here. It's peaceful. I love it. I've always grown up out in the country. I prefer it that way. It's too noisy in the city. Besides, you don't get to see all kind of nature like this in the city. Just love it. Okay, so this is actually Christmas cactus, but she calls it spring cactus because she bought it in the springtime. But she said these are either going to be pink or purple. Alright, you guys, I hate to end the video like this. It was on a positive note, and I'm going to try to keep it as positive as I can, but I'm at work and found out my cat was killed, so pretty sad about that. But I'm gonna keep making positive videos for you guys. I don't want to send any sad vibes or anything. It was nobody's fault. These things just happen sometimes. But appreciate you guys watching my videos. I'm gonna keep posting. I'm gonna keep a positive attitude, and I'll see you guys back again in the next video.